Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad body control module and it's time to replace it? This is a body control module, also known as the BCM. Basically, it is a central hub. So the body control module, it is going to receive information from the input and it will send the information to the output. For example, when you press the Windows switch, it is going to send information to the BCM, and the BCM is going to send a command to the window motor and regulator, and this is how your window is going to roll up and roll down. If you notice all your windows are not working, and let's just say you check the switch and you check the window motor and regulator and you still can't figure out what the problem is, the problem might be caused by a bad body control module. The next example is if you press the wiper switch and the wiper motor is not working, or when you press the side mirror switch and the side mirrors are not working, it is possible that body control module might be the issue. However, before replacing the body control module, I always check for a bad clock spring. So the clock spring, it is going to be mounted behind the steering wheel, and when the clock spring starts to fail, it can also cause a lot of components such as the wiper switch to fail as well. However, if you notice a lot of components are not working, for example, if you press the side mirror switch and the side mirror is not working, or when you press the door lock and the doors are not unlocking or unlocking, and you check the door lock actuator, it is possible that if you have multiple problems, it is possible that the body control module might be the issue. Here is another example. If you notice the interior lights are turning on for no reason, or it won't turn off after locking your vehicle, again, it could be possible that body control module might be the problem. If you notice a lot of components or accessory inside the vehicle is not working properly, for example, if you hear the doors are locking or unlocking on its own, or you hear some sort of odd noises, or you hear an audible noise coming from the inside of the cabin, it is possible that body control module might be the issue. Before replacing the body control module, I always make sure the connection is not loose. Also, make sure to check the pins. If the pins are corroded, it will cause a lot of electrical issue as well. Next, check the wire. Make sure that there's no issue at the CAN bus wire. So always trace this wire, and wherever it is leading to, make sure there is no break and make sure there is no open. Next, check for damage. For example, if water finds its way to the body control module, it can cause the body control module to corrode. How does that happen? Well, it depends on the location. Some body control module is located right at the kick panel. Some is going to be located right behind the glove box. Some is going to be located right behind somewhere on the carpet. And when those areas become wet, again, it can cause damage to the body control module. When replacing the body control module, I always match up the part number or serial number and make sure you give your VIN number to the supplier so you know for sure that you're getting the same part. After you change the body control module, make sure to reprogram it afterward. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.